Hello Sagittarius, welcome to your monthly horoscope on Sataraka Safar. I'm your astrologer and Baksh, and today we'll explore how the planetary positions are influencing your life, including career, finance, family, health, relationships, and travel. This reading is based on your moon sign for the most accurate predictions. Stay tuned as we delve deep into your personalized horoscope for this month. Your second house has moon at the start of January, signaling some ups and downs in your financial situation. Although the initial phase might bring some emotional decisions around money, the Sun and Mercury entering your first house around January 10th will give you a clear head to manage expenses more efficiently. Keep an eye out for unexpected expenses at the start of the month and take caution when it comes to investments. Investing in passive income streams such as online businesses or digital marketing might prove beneficial if the right opportunities come up. Avoid any impulsive purchases or decisions that may affect your savings. This month, you could experience some delays and disruptions due to retrogrades, especially with Mercury in your first house early in the month. However, by January 20th, when Mercury moves direct, you will find yourself back on track. Your sixth house is influenced by a retrograde Jupiter, suggesting some challenges at work or with colleagues, potentially hindering your progress or causing confusion. Avoid rushing into new business projects in the beginning, especially until the planetary positions stabilize. A key shift comes mid January when Venus aligns with your third house, aiding creative ventures and business communications. By the month's end, there is an opportunity to shine in new work or business partnerships. Sagittarians will experience some minor emotional fluctuations in relationships during January, especially around mid month when Mars will retrograde in your 8th house, making conflicts or misunderstandings with loved ones more likely. Try to keep your cool and avoid dramatic emotional outbursts. For married Sagittarius individuals, keep the relationship communication clear and try not to misinterpret each other's intention during Mercury's retrograde period. Singles, look for relationship opportunities after the 20th as the retrograde motion settles and you can see things more clearly. In education, Jupiter retrograde in the 6th house could temporarily lower your focus or cause delays with exams or studies. The key is to stay persistent, as the planets promise smoother results towards the end of January. If you're interested in a creative field like arts or marketing, this month may present a breakthrough. Higher education could also see some minor setbacks, but stay patient and consistent. The start of the month presents some great travel opportunities, especially business related. But with Mercury in retrograde, delays could affect travel plans in the first half of the month. Wait for mid January to travel long distances for better timing. Plan carefully to avoid last minute issues. Health should generally be fine this month, though the retrograde Mars in the 8th house may cause some issues, especially related to stress or digestive problems. As a Sagittarius, it is important to balance activity with rest and manage stress levels to prevent burnout. Eating a balanced diet with enough water and avoiding processed foods is essential. Regular exercise will also help you feel more energized. That's your monthly horoscope for Sagittarius. Stay mindful of the planetary transition throughout the month and harness their energy for the best results. If you found this reading helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sadarika Safar for more personalized predictions. Also, for a one-on-one consultation, reach out to me on WhatsApp and book your appointment. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next month.